Hello again, it's Noob, and here we have the CES, or possibly CES, I don't know how it's pronounced, 810. What I do know though is that this is something of a modern classic. It's very popular in Germany where it's produced. Apparently CES or CES, they are the oldest producer of cylinder locks in Germany. Yeah, so it's very popular in Germany and France. Yeah, so it's one of those locks which is just a bit of a classic. And here it is. Now, the only thing I would say from a lockpicker's point of view is that just have a look at those clips that hold on the cylinders. They are those ones which you can't get off, which is a bit annoying. So there won't be a gutting on this video. But then again, at least you know I haven't tampered with the lock. And the one thing about this is a very classic sort of CES keyway. It's a bit like the Yale keyways, but you can see that it's a lot more sort of paracentric, a lot tighter. Yeah, really quite a fiddly keyway, this one. It's not as extreme as some, for sure, but it's yeah, it's a little bit tricky. And for this particular lock, here is the key. And again, not like extreme bitting going on here, but it's quite nice to have quite a high here and at the front with some lows in the middle. It's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pin lock, I think, this one. Yeah. So it's not the worst bitting, it's not the best bitting, it sort of just is. I imagine that this is the max, or somewhere close to it. Looking at these, this is the maximum adjacent cut, so it's not quite as extreme as some of the Asa locks. But again, it's this is sort of a classic, a modern classic lock. It hasn't got much in the way of anti-drill or anti-snap protection, but you know, it's a bit of a workhorse. Anyway, let's grab a vise, throw it in, and see if we can get it picked. So we're in the vise, and I'm going to be using, I think, my Peterson gem. I think that can get round. Yeah, that feels nice. And this piece of bent wiper blade, which is actually my favourite piece of bent wiper blade. It just, the angles on it are just perfect. The thickness and the width, I don't know, everything about it is just nice for these Euro cylinders. Gets really tight, top of the keyway tension, just like that. Love it. So pin something here. Pin 1, and do you see that little movement? That was into a false set straight away, so that signifies that we've got spools left in here. And a deeper false set when I hit pin 3, so that's pin 1, then pin 3. Let's go to the back now. Pin 5 I can feel. Oh, and oh, wow. Didn't expect that. That was yeah, that was quick. That was a quick open. Yeah, wow, okay. So some nice spools in there, but not massively effective. I think I might try picking that again, just to see if it behaves the same way. So top of the keyway. There we go. Up round, pull back through, pin 1. Into a bit of a false set, back through, pin 3, 2, pin 5, somewhere, oh, into a, I didn't expect that false set. Oh, and we're open again. Yeah, so I don't know what happened there, fell into a deeper false set, and had to lift pin 5 back up. So yeah, I mean maybe it's the bitting on this one, I don't know, but it wasn't a particularly hard lock to pick by any stretch of the imagination, this one. But nevertheless, yeah, good bit of fun, and it is a classic, so always good for the collection. Well, I hope you enjoyed that short video. If you did, please leave a like and a comment, and if you haven't subscribed, do consider doing so, because if you like seeing content like this, then it'd be really great to see you again. Okay, see you all next time.